Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a form of harassment that takes place over digital devices. These days, the common place for the bullies to prey on their victims takes place on social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and so on. When shared contents across social media on any digital means, they became vulnerable for strangers or acquaintances to be viewed. Both contents as well as hurtful and mean comments creates a public record of their activities. This results a term called online reputation, which is accessible by various parties and organizations.
According to another anonymous 2015, there are two kinds of people who are likely to bully: the socially active people and the socially inactive people. It is said that bullying results in an upgrade of confidence, thinking the control is on the hands of the bully, as it is also the main reason of why socially active people may bully other people. It makes them feel powerful, as it is also a way to maintain their popularity. How about the socially inactive people? Socially inactive people may bully other people as it is a chance to fit in and to prove that they are not weak and that they are compatible with their surroundings. Like the social active people, bullying also makes socially inactive people feel powerful.
Cyberbullying may harm the online reputations of everyone involved, not only to the victim but to the bully themselves. Therefore, the causes of cyberbullying influenced by three unique concepts of awareness. Number 1. Persistent. Bullying tends to happen 24 hours non-stop communication, which causes the victim to find difficulty in finding relief. Number 2. Permanent. Impact on real world from negative online reputations causes both the bully and the victim to find difficulties in coping with the working society. Number 3. Hard to notice. Authorities may not overhear or see acts of cyberbullies as they take place in a form of anonymity, so they are harder to be recognized.
The effect of cyberbullying. Firstly, the victim feels exposed and humiliated. Because cyberbullying occurs in cyberspace, online bullying feels permanent. Kids know that once something is out there, it will always be out there. When cyberbullying occurs, the nasty posts, messages, or texts can be shared with multitudes of people. The sheer volume of people that know about the bullying can lead to intense feelings of humiliation. The second effect is the victim feels alone and isolated. Cyberbullying sometimes causes teens to be excluded and hated at school and society. This experience is particularly painful because friends are critical at this age. When kids do not have friends, this can lead to more bullying. What's more, when cyberbullying occurs, most people recommended shutting off the computer or turning off the cell phone. But for teens, this often means cutting off communication with their world. Their phones and their computers are one of the most important ways they communicate with others. If that option for communication is removed, they can feel secluded and cut off from their world. The last effect is the victim feels suicidal. Cyberbullying increases the risk of suicide. Kids that are constantly tormented by peers through text messages, instant messaging, social media, and other outlets often begin to feel hopeless. They may even begin to feel like the only way to escape the pain is through suicide. As a result, they may fantasize about ending their life in order to escape their tormentors. As a conclusion, the research we had collected had made us think about what we can do to stop bullying in schools and in the areas. People, mainly teenagers, have trouble with cyberbullying and find it hard to communicate with others about the problem they are facing. We decided that this needed to be stopped. To help this problem, we have decided to either make the bullies informed about what they are doing by setting up a website that people can upload their screenshots of cyberbullies so we can trace the culprit and make that person stop cyberbullying.
No one likes to be bullied, in the real world or digital world. Spot the signs of cyberbullying, report it to an adult, be positive, and show solidarity to victims so together we can stop cyberbullying.